10th Standard Social Unit 3rd. The impact of British rule in India. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. First question. Who introduced the administration of civil services? Answer. Lord Cornwallis introduced the administration of civil services. Second question. What is the aim of Regulating Act? Answer. The aim of Regulating Act is to enforce control. Third question. Who opened Fort William College in Calcutta? Answer. Lord Cornwallis opened Fort William College in Calcutta. Fourth question. Why did Lord Cornwallis open Fort William College in Calcutta? Answer. Lord Cornwallis opened Fort William College in Calcutta for the benefit of people aspiring to join civil services. Fifth question. Who argued all the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt? Answer. Lord Cornwallis argued all the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt. Sixth question. What is Diwani right? Answer. Diwani right is the authority to collect land taxes to the British. Seventh question. What is a Diwani Adalat and a Pauzadari Adalat? Answer. A Diwani Adalat is a civil court and a Pauzadari Adalat is a criminal court. Eighth question. Who implemented the efficient policy system in India for the first time? Answer. Lord Cornwallis implemented the efficient policy system in India for the first time. Ninth question. What is the main duty of Kotwal? Answer. Kotwal was made accountable for thefts, crimes and other law violations at village level. Tenth question. What is permanent Jamindari system? Answer. Lord Cornwallis implemented a new land tax policy in Bengal and Bihar regions in order to generate steady revenue per annum. This is called permanent Jamindari system. Eleventh question. The Indian farmers were born in debt, lived in debt and died in debt due to the land tax policy of the British. Who gave this statement? Answer. The Indian farmers were born in debt, lived in debt and died in debt due to the land tax policy of the British. This statement is given by Charles Metcalfe. Twelfth question. What is Mahal? Answer. Mahal means taluk. Thirteenth question. Who implemented Mahalwari system? Answer. R.M. Bird and James Thomson implemented Mahalwari system. 14th question. Who and where the Raitawari system was first implemented? Answer. The Raitawari system was first implemented in Baramahal region. Alexander Reed. 15th question. Who implemented Raitawari system in Madras and Mysore region? Answer. Thomas Munro implemented Raitawari system in Madras and Mysore region. 16th question. Who facilitated the expansion of the modern education in India? Answer. Warren Hastings facilitated the expansion of the modern education in India. 17th question. Who started Calcutta Madrasa? Answer. Warren Hastings started Calcutta Madrasa. 18th question. Who started Sanskrit College in Banaras? Answer. Jonathan Duncan. A British individual started Sanskrit College in Banaras. 19th question. Who pressed for the universalization of British education in India? Answer. Charles Grant, who pressed for the universalization of British education in India. 20th question. Who was Macaulay? Answer. Macaulay was the member of Governor General's Executive Committee.